Hi students, Mrs. Jenkins here, and once you enter your physical science course, you will be brought to this home screen with the class announcements. It's important that you read through these announcements. They have great information. For example, if you're going to complete the Viscosity Lab, if you look at this announcement, it has videos. If you click on this right here, it'll open up a video to tell you how to complete that assignment. So it's important you read through these announcements. Now, to complete your lessons, if you're still struggling, what you need to do is go ahead and go to Content at the top of your course. And once it loads, it'll open up all the resources that are in your course. So you can view the syllabus, online learning handbook, my contact information, the schedule. You should be looking at this to help you stay on track for the course. And then right here is Fuel for You live recordings. They have great lessons that walk you through many of the labs or course topics. So if you're struggling with how to do a lab, it's a good idea to check this list of recordings and see if it's on there. Then you'll come down to your units that in the lessons that you're going to complete throughout the course. So for example, this week you should be wrapping up Unit 1. Unit 1 is the nature of matter. You have student resources. You can view that right there. And then when you scroll down, you should be completing Lesson 1.01, Semester Introduction, all the way to 1.07, and then 1.08 is your unit test, which should be due by the end of the week. So once you click on your first lesson, I'm just going to walk you through how you do a lesson real quick. Let's just look at nature of matter. So once you open that, then you're just going to click start right from the top of the list, lesson introduction. It's going to load the information and to scroll through each of the slides. Once the slide loads, you read through the slide and then you can click the arrow button here at the top or at the bottom, and it's going to move you to the next slide that you're going to read. So that's all you do to go through the lessons. Simple, easy. And if you have any questions on that, just let me know and I'll be glad to walk you through it some more. So the lab this week is going to be the Viscosity Lab, and if you click on 1.05, it's going to open up the Viscosity Lab and you're going to just walk through the lesson. It'll help you do the assignment, as well as right here's a video link, one of those Fuel for You live recordings that I was talking about. Here's a video link to that lab. So once you watch that video, complete the lesson, then you can complete the lab for the viscosity assignment, and then you're going to submit it right here. To submit the assignment, you're going to click on it. You're going to click upload. You're going to find on your computer where that file is, and then you'll submit and it'll load and you'll just click submit, and that'll be how you submit your assignment. So that's how you do that. One more thing I want to show you, go back to class home. Right here are quick links for you to go to each unit. So we're on Unit 1, Nature of Matter, so you can always click there to go to your lessons. Fuel for You live recordings gives you that list of videos that I was talking about. And then if you want to attend my office hour on Tuesdays at 12:30, you can click on Tools, go down to Class Connect, click on this purple icon right here next to Mrs. Jenkins Class Connect, and then it's going to open up the Blackboard Connect session for you. And once it loads, I will be in there and I can help you with live information, guide you through how to do things, and etc. So if you have any questions, let me know.